In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your social feed shoppable in Taggbox. Inside your dashboard, head over to Apps and More to access Shoppable. The Shoppable feature in Taggbox is used to turn social media content into clickable shopping experiences. Now, if you don't have access to the regular Shoppable feed feature, Shoppable.bio could be a great alternative for creating a shoppable link in bio page for Instagram or TikTok. Next, connect your social media account and start importing your posts into the dashboard. After that, connect your online store or add product links manually. Then, tag products directly to your social posts so visitors can shop from your content. Now, customize your Shoppable.bio page by adjusting the layout, branding, colors, and buttons to match your style. Once everything looks good, publish your Shoppable.bio page. Finally, paste that link into your Instagram or TikTok bio so your followers can browse and shop your products directly from your social content. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.